ready to race, race number 5. Away they go. Complexion by Darrell rushing up, Embraceable, and on the further outside is Laventas, then come Schematic, Balota, Wild Pipe, a Loving Touch is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn. Running by Darrell, Schematic. Moving up now is Embraceable. Embraceable leads by 3, followed by Schematic. And running by Darrell, Complexion, Giants, Loom Racing Import from the outside, Balota, and Loving Touch still running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Embraceable, enjoying by some 4 lengths. Schematic, moving up now is Giant Loom. Complexion is running Import by Darrell, and running in P by some 7 lengths is Antenna for Balota and Loving Touch. Rounding the far turn, Embraceable, Schematics. Moving up from the outside, Giant Loom, and Complexion is running Import by some 3 lengths. About to pass the last 400, Schematic, Embraceable, Giants Loom in the middle, down on the inside is Complexion. As they race the final corner, 4 entries matching the stride together. Running by the rest, Complexion, Embraceable, Giants Loom is on the outside. Giants Loom from the outside, Complexion by the rest, and Loving Touch. And finally, number 5, Giants Loom, second 5A. Loving Touch, Complexion, Schematic, Embraceable, and Balota comes last.
Lakas ng dalawang